Lots of driftwood. Early in the season, driftwood is washed up on the shore. Interesting thing about these beaches, they're composed of decaying driftwood that gets covered, and it supplies nutrients to new trees, which the roots stabilize the beach so that it doesn't get washed away in heavy seas. People come and take the driftwood or burn it. They're actually doing harm to the beach, unintentionally, I'm sure. But the beach doesn't have the driftwood anymore to allow for nutrients for new growth, so the roots don't stabilize the beach and it's subject to washout. You can see where that creek's cut into the beach. You can see the driftwood probably deposited there many years ago. Some of that driftwood probably originated quite a ways inland. Got washed down by the rivers in high water.